not too soon to call it love, but I know it's more than just a crush. We're getting closer every day, and when you look at me that way, all I can say is if I open up my heart to you, I just need to know you feel it too. Will you be the one to make my dreams come true? If I open up my heart to you,